Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is week 3 of our weekly check-in for May. So the dates are going to be running from the 14th through the 20th. Now before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know how you are doing this week. And be sure to hit that notification because every time I post, you will be notified so you won't be missing any of my videos. But anyways, so this week, a lot of the other stores have started to open back up, and you know me, I like to shop, which is a really bad habit, but you know, we'll get into that. So we're just going to do our no spins like we did earlier, or what we've been doing. We've been doing the no spins first, and then going back and doing what we spent on the other days. All right, so our no spins are the 14th, the 15th, the 19th, and the 20th. All right, you guys. So that is 4 no spins that we did this week. So we have it on the 14th, the 15th, the 19th, and the 20th. Now let's get on to the other days, and I'm just going to zoom y'all in just a little bit so y'all can see better. All right, so on the 16th is our usual groceries. So groceries, we went to Walmart and we spent $51. Just going to place that right there. Next, we did gas, and gas was $15 because I was literally almost on E. So $15 on that. And then I did spend one more time. I used my sinking funds, you guys. I know I did. So me and my fiance and my brother and her fiance, we all went to Party City because I am hosting her bridal shower because they're getting married on June 20th. So I'm going to be hosting her bridal shower. So we needed like some decorations, some ideas and everything. So I spent $49. Party City was about $20. And then I spent like for plates and napkins because I am actually going to be doing vinyl napkins for their cake for their wedding. So I am super excited about that. And if you don't know, I do have a shop with my future sister-in-law, which is Jared's sister. We opened a Facebook page. It is called KK's Thrifty Designs. And I will link that down below if you would like to go and support us. We do all kinds of decals. We do car decals. We do t-shirts. We do infusible ink t-shirts. We do mugs, cups, tumblers. I am doing a window pane for my brother for their wedding, a sign for their wedding. I am doing the napkins like I told you. I'm doing some bridal shower shirts. I'm doing a bachelorette shirt in the near future. So that is what we've been doing. So I will link our page down below if you want to go and like our page and subscribe. And if you have any ideas, we can negotiate designs also and pricing. All right, so that is what we spent on the 16th. Moving on to the 17th. So on the 17th, I did go to Michael's because I needed to spend some money on some vinyls that I needed for an upcoming order, and they had a lot of stuff that was on clearance too. So Michael's, I spent $16, and then that is it that I spent on the 17th. Now on the 18th, which is the last day that we did spend money, TJ Maxx was open, you guys. And if you have not been to TJ Maxx, I know I should not be promoting like spending or anything, but there's a lot of clearance. I bought a pair of sweatpants for Jared for $5, you guys. $5. And then I found a pair of cute, like very loose jogger pants for me for $12. So that was good. And then, so I spent $19 at TJ Maxx. I need to stay out of that store. I do not need to go back. So we're just going to put that right there. All right, so I'm going to zoom y'all out, and then we're just going to go over what we did before we go to our weekly and then count the money and all that stuff. All right, so 14th was a no spin. 15th was a no spin. The 16th, we had groceries for $51, gas for $15, and then sinking funds for a special occasion was $49. Michael's was $16 taken out of the fund money, and then TJ Maxx was $19 also taken out of the fund money. And then no spin was on the 19th and also on the 20th. All right, so let's get into our weekly check-in part. So for groceries was $51. Gas was $15. So I should have $45 left. Fun money I spent, how much did I spend? I don't even know, see? 16 and 19. So that is 16 plus 19 equals $35 that was spent. Cushion, I did not spend anything. And then the sinking funds, which I did use my card for Amazon, but I took the money out of my special occasion that I spent on Amazon and I just deposited it back into my bank. So it all evens out. And then sinking funds, we spent $49. All right, and then let's just subtract the sinking funds minus $49 equals $1,879. All right, groceries. 100 minus 51 equals to $49 left. Fund money is 60 minus 35 equals $25 left. And then cushion, I still have $199 left. All right, let's just count this really fast, you guys, just to see if these numbers are matching my cash that I have in here. So groceries, we should have $49, 20, 40. Oh, well, that's weird. 20, 40, 50, 51. Did I miss something up? Let me go back and look. Let's see. All right, you guys, so this is what I get when I try to do the numbers in my head before I start filming. I should have checked it. So the $51 is how much we have left over, and then we spent $49 on groceries. So my bad, I am so sorry. So let's just do this one more time. $51, 20, 40, 50, and 51. Gas should be $45 left. 20, 40, and 45. And let's just hope fun money is at a $25. Hopefully I didn't mess it up. So let's see. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So that is correct. And I have some coins I need to dump out into my jar. All right, you guys, so that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this weekly check-in. It is week 3. Might I add, it is week 3. So we only have one more week until literally May's over and we will be in June. That's crazy. All right, you guys, so be sure to go and subscribe down below, and I hope y'all have a great week ahead of you guys and a great weekend ahead of you guys also. And I will see you guys on probably Sunday, because I don't think I have anything else uploading on Friday or Saturday. So I will see you on Sunday for a grocery haul, and then Tuesday for another 52-week challenge. All right, you guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye.